our minds work together, because today's lesson is about an African fruit, a special one. So relax, we've got enough fruits. We've got enough fruits, more than enough for you, and they are all naturally grown, not hybrids. Alright, this is a special type of fruit. Have you seen it before? Okay, this is called the African pear. This is called the African pear, or the bush pear, or the native pear. Look, you can look at it and have a view of what it looks like. This is what it looks, and it's hard, as you can see, very hard. Okay, the African pear is one of the popular fruits grown here in the western part of Africa. It is called ube. Ube. That is U-B-E. Ube in my local dialect. So this is a seasonal fruit. It's only available in the rainy season. So like you can see, as you can see, we are in the rainy season, and that is why we have this available. It is available now because we are in the rainy season. Alright, so there are several ways to enjoy this fruit. You can eat it raw, but it's a bit bitter. It can be fried, or it can be tenderized in hot water. I know in my place we eat ube and corn together. This is actually pink when it's unripe, and purple when it is ripe, as you can see. And this is packed with a lot of essential nutrients like fiber, carbohydrate, fats, and oil. Follow me. Let me show you how this is prepared. Like I said, we are actually going to prepare this fruit, the ube, using the tenderizing method. So here I have my ube, and I have a bowl here. So I'll go ahead and pour the ube inside the bowl. Okay. So I'll go ahead and pour some hot water on it. This hot water will help make the ube soft in just about let's say 3 minutes. We'll see. So let me cover it. Okay, so it's 3 minutes and this is what we have. The ube. You can see how soft it is. Wow. And so fleshy. So this is best eaten with corn. And this here is the seed. Look. So I will go ahead and bring this out of the hot water so that you guys will have a taste of it. But trust me, it's so delicious. Just let me know if you like it. I would want some more. For now, enjoy.